Hey guys, this is Taylor with Tayler'd Creations. I'm going to show you guys how I take my beaded fabric and drape it over a corset. So keep watching. So here's my beaded fabric. I just open it up, I place it right on top. I pin it to my dress form first, which you see me doing, and then I just take my beaded fabric and I'm just stretching it and pinning it out. I'm making sure that it's flat on top of my corset, and I'm just going to continue to pin all the way around. I'm pinning it down, I'm putting pins in the center, on the sides. I just really want it to be, flush to my corset, no bubbling. You see me smoothing it out and everything. So I just continue to pin all the way around. Once I get to the back, you see I'm doing like a fold over thing, but I'm gonna show you guys that later. Here I had a little bit of bubbling, so I just readjusted it, put more pins. So here is what it looks like with everything pinned. I always start hand sewing the top of the corset first. That's just my preference. Usually I'll use clear thread, but here I'm using black thread because I am going to cover this up with appliques and rhinestones and everything. The bottom I'm sewing right along that edge at the bottom because I am going to cover that with bias tape. So I'm kind of doing like a basting stitch. I really just need it to be in place because I'm actually going to take it to my sewing machine. Here you see me cutting, and for the bottom I'm not leaving any seam allowance. So I just cut all the way around. For the back piece, I do leave about a 1/2 inch of seam allowance. Also for the top. And I'm just making sure I have enough seam allowance so that I can fold it over the edge as you see me doing here. I just fold it over, put some pins in it, and I do hand sew that closed. So this is what that's looking like. This is what the inside looks like. Like I said, I'm going to sew that by hand. And this is the bottom where I'm adding the bias tape. I'm using my machine to do that. This is how it looked at the end. Very clean, very nice. And now I'm just covering it up with those appliques as I mentioned. I had these little chandelier pieces that I wanted to add to the top. I just hand sewed those on. You also see the rhinestone trim that I have dangling. But this is how my corset turned out. This is it on my client, and she did send me a few pictures. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.